In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom templates in Asana. If you find yourself rebuilding the same kind of project over and over, maybe a launch plan, a client onboarding workflow, or a team checklist, saving it as a template will help you start faster and keep your processes consistent. Begin by opening the project you want to save. This is important because the template will mirror what you have in this specific project. Take a quick glance to make sure the structure is exactly how you want future projects to look. That includes the sections, tasks, task descriptions, and any key details you've already organized. If something is outdated or missing, it's worth tidying it now so your template captures your best version. With the project open, look to the top left of your screen at the project name. Right next to it, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow to open the project menu. This is where Asana keeps options for managing and customizing your project. If you don't see the arrow, hover your mouse over the project name and it should appear. From the menu that opens, select Save as Template. This tells Asana to take a snapshot of your project structure so you can reuse it later. If the option isn't visible, you may need the right permissions on the project or workspace, so double check with your admin or project owner. Next, Asana will prompt you to choose a template name and set privacy. Pick a clear descriptive name that makes it obvious when to use the template. For example, you might include the team name, the workflow type, or the frequency like monthly reporting workflow or client onboarding, marketing. Good naming helps everyone find and apply the right template fast. Now set the privacy. If this template is meant for your broader team, choose to share it with your team so everyone who needs it can access it. If it's still a work in progress or relevant only to you, keep it private for now. You can always adjust sharing later as your process matures. When you're satisfied with the name and privacy settings, click Create Template. Asana will save it and make it available for future projects, so the next time you need the same setup, you can start from a proven foundation instead of reinventing the wheel. That's it. Simple, consistent, and a big time saver.